Alam nyo ba, ganito ka-intense ang suporta at pagmamahal ng ating mga kababayan para sa ating Philippine Women's National Football Team.
First of all, just to be there and to be here in the World Cup playing together.
The 2020. The World Cup for the very first time in their history. The debutants, the Philippines, obviously enjoying themselves.
I've been watching Filipinas since 2012 nung nag-restart yung program. Di ko akalain a decade from now, nandito tayo sa World Stage Women's World Cup. Nanalo pa tayo on our second group stage game.
Girls, I'm so proud of you. My message at the start of the tournament was to believe, and you showed exactly that. Nagtiwala kayo, at dahil doon, nanalo tayo. Everyone here, we could only just be here. Everyone's so proud of you, and I know that's because you believe in yourself, and I believe in you 100%. Keep doing that, keep believing, and know that we're with you 100% of the time.
People kept believing, we all kept believing, that's why we're here, and together we have made history!